In this video, I will show you a comprehensive comparison between FlutterFlow and DraftBit to help you decide which low-code platform is right for your next mobile app project. Let's dive into the details. Starting with FlutterFlow, this tool is built on the Flutter framework and is ideal for product teams and startups who want to build high-performance, visually rich applications. One of the first things I notice is the user interface. It offers a very strong visual UI and animation control system, making it easy to create complex designs without writing code from scratch. I'm looking at the core tech here, and because it uses Dart, the apps feel incredibly smooth and native. When I explore the backend, FlutterFlow offers deep integration with Firebase, which is perfect if you want to handle authentication, database management, and cloud functions all in one place. It also supports deployment to the App Store and Google Play directly from the platform, which saves a lot of time. Now let's shift our focus to DraftBit. This platform is geared more toward React Native developers and teams who prefer a source code-driven approach. It uses React Native and JavaScript, which is a massive plus if you're already familiar with that ecosystem. I'm navigating through the interface, and while it provides a visual builder, the experience feels more like a professional IDE. DraftBit excels in back-end flexibility. Unlike FlutterFlow's heavy leaning toward Firebase, DraftBit uses an API-first approach. This means I can easily connect to any REST API or backend service of my choosing. The deployment process here is a bit more manual, giving me more control over the build pipeline, but it does require a bit more technical knowledge to get everything running perfectly. Comparing the two, the biggest difference lies in the learning curve and the target audience. FlutterFlow is much more accessible for those who want a what you see is what you get experience with powerful pre-built components. DraftBit, on the other hand, is for the developer who wants to move fast but still stay close to the underlying React Native code. In terms of pricing, both offer free tiers to start, but as I scale, FlutterFlow's plans are generally more inclusive of deployment features, whereas DraftBit's higher tiers focus on providing clean, production-ready code that you can take anywhere. I'm also looking at the code ownership and long-term freedom. Both platforms allow you to export your code, which is crucial for avoiding vendor lock-in. However, FlutterFlow gives me a full Flutter project, while DraftBit provides a clean React Native project. If your team is already comfortable with JavaScript, DraftBit will feel like home. If you want a more guided experience with a massive library of tutorials and community support, FlutterFlow is the clear winner. Regarding performance, FlutterFlow's apps are compiled to machine code, which often results in slightly better performance for heavy animations. DraftBit apps run on the React Native engine, which is excellent for cross-platform consistency and has a very mature ecosystem of libraries. My verdict is simple. If you are a startup looking to launch a beautiful, high-performance app quickly using Firebase, go with FlutterFlow. It's the most feature-complete tool for non-developers and designers. However, if you are a developer who needs to integrate with a custom existing backend and you want total control over your React Native source code, DraftBit is the superior choice. Both are incredible tools that represent the future of app development, but your choice ultimately depends on your specific tech stack and how much under-the-hood access you really need. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.